Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Coming at you from Southbridge, Massachusetts. Welcome back. And today I'm here with a Walmart haul of fabrics. I got this Aztec one because I have a journal that I want to make with it when I start my journal making. And then I also have this map one here. I like it. It's nautical, more nautical than anything, but that's okay. Then I got this one. It says tea time. I bought a yard of this one. So you have the script in the background. It says menu, tea time, eat gray. I don't know, something gray. Let me see if I can find somewhere where I can see what the other word says. I don't know. East gray, I guess. It's got little postage stamps and stuff like that. I really like this one. I got a yard of this one. And the next one, I got what was left of it. Hey, it was on clearance, so I got it. And this one's nautical also. It's almost like this one, but bigger version. It is this one, but in bigger version. Okay? So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content or when I go live. Please be blessed, be crafty, stay crafty. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. See you in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.
Subscribe.